In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit funds in Trading 212. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly and efficiently. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Trading 212 website by entering the URL apptrading212.com. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. This is an essential step to access your account and start the depositing process. Once you're successfully logged in, locate the Add Funds button, which can be found in the upper left corner of your screen. Clicking this will take you to the next step where you can choose your preferred payment method. The platform offers several options, including an instant bank transfer. If you opt for this, you'll need to select your bank from the list provided. Once you've found your bank, click on it and you'll see a tab that prompts you to connect your bank. Simply follow the instructions and you'll be guided through the bank's authentication process. Alternatively, you can choose the traditional bank transfer method. If this is your preferred option, you will need to enter your account number and sort code. Or if you're outside the UK, you can use an IBAN. Either of these options ensures that your funds are directed to the correct account. After entering your details, simply click Confirm to proceed. There's also an option to use a card as your payment method. Once this is selected, you'll need to choose the currency you'd like to use for the transaction. Type in the amount you wish to deposit and click Confirm. Following this, enter your card details accurately, and once you're set, hit Pay to complete the deposit. For those who prefer the convenience of digital wallets, Trading 212 also supports Google Pay. By selecting this option, ensure you follow the same steps. Choose your currency, enter your desired amount, and click Next to complete the process. At each step, make sure your information is accurate to avoid any issues with your transaction. Whether you're using a bank transfer, card payment, or Google Pay, Trading 212 provides secure channels to safeguard your financial data. And that's it. You now know how to deposit funds into your Trading 212 account. This versatile platform offers multiple ways to manage your investments, giving you the flexibility to choose how you want to move your funds. We hope this guide has been helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for watching and happy trading.